open a spectrum, Fourier transform. This is the automatic phase correction. It looks good, but it is not. Use the mouse wheel to increase the volume. Phase correction, but this time is manual phase correction. Press the key command and click the mouse. This mark is movable. It means do not change the phase of this peak if I use only this thumb. Okay. Look here, this is a little better. Move to fine. I must try to put these two branches on the same ideal straight line. Then I move this one and adjust the rest. Command click. And now manual baseline correction. Fit with a polynomial of the 7 degree. If the superimposition is good, this correction is good. Done.